So we have 4 rules so far, and now we're going to kind of put them together and try to use those rules. All right. So write each of the following products with a single base. Do not simplify. Write answers with positive exponents. Okay. So looking at the first one, I'm going to do it the way I would do it first, and then I'll show you another way. But it's multiplication, right? So add the exponents. B to the 2 plus negative 8. What's 2 plus negative 8? Negative 6. Okay, but I can't have a negative exponent, so I'm going to have to write that as 1 over b to the 6. That's a 6. 6's and b's look alike sometimes. Sorry about that. This is a 6. There, I'm trying. Now, you might say, well, I wasn't going to do it that way. I was going to do it like this. B squared times 1 over b to the 8. Because it said not to have negative exponents, right? That's true. That's valid. Okay, so then that's b squared over b to the 8. And then maybe you were thinking, well, I was just going to cancel 2 of those with 2 of those. So I'd have b to the 6 down here. And I was just going to write 1 over b to the 6. That's fine. That answer is the same. And it really doesn't matter which way you did it as long as you're using the rules correctly. Now, some of these problems you can do 3 or 4 different ways. I'm just going to do it the way I see it. And, you know, if you see it a different way, that's fine. You just want to get the right answer. Okay. So I have a negative x for the base. So the bases are the same. You always need to check that. And it's multiplication. So I could add those exponents. Well, what's 5 plus a negative 5? 0. And then you're going to have to remember, oh, exponent of 0. That means the whole thing is just going to be 1. And you're done. Okay. Now this last one, I might want to put parentheses around this and look at it like a 1. And then I could write that as negative 7z to the 1 minus 5, or negative 7z to the negative 4. Now, that negative exponent, that's what we've been talking about. It doesn't have anything to do with the negative and the 7, by the way. So those two are completely unrelated. Now I can write it as 1 over negative 7z to the positive 4th power and get the answer that way. Or you could have just canceled, you know, that would have worked too. Okay, so those are the answers there.